president of the Getty. For all of us at the Getty, welcome and enjoy your visit.
Hello. 안녕하세요. Maligayang pagdating sa Getty. Kamusta? Salut.
Ciao, 欢迎来到盖蒂。أهلا وسهلا.
Willkommen Getty. Getty Center 오신 것을 환영합니다.
In 5 minutes, we'll be at the top of the hill. When you arrive, explore our 5 gallery pavilions, presenting nearly 2,500 years of European art. Stroll the garden, discover modern outdoor sculptures located throughout the grounds, and hunt for fossils in the travertine stones. Grab a bite at our casual cafe or coffee carts, or enjoy fine dining in our restaurant. Join free tours of the art, architecture, and gardens, which take place throughout the day. Discover Pacific Standard Time, LA, Latin American art and Latino art in dialogue with Los Angeles, with 4 fascinating exhibitions. See masterpieces in Golden Kingdoms, luxury and legacy in the ancient Americas. Learn about the avant-garde movement known as concrete art, as well as the role of photography in the construction of national narratives in Argentina. And discover how the growth of the metropolis changed the architectural landscape in Latin America. When the tram arrives, take the stairs or the elevator up to the plaza level. Friendly staff and volunteers are ready to help with information, maps, and advice on what to see first. Enjoy your day with us.
Bienvenue au Getty.
Benvenuti al Getty. مرحبا بكم في الجيتي.
Bienvenido al Getty.
Thank you for visiting the Getty Center today. Connect with us through our website, getty.edu. Explore our work around the world, advancing the study of art and conserving cultural heritage for future generations. Learn about our other location, the Getty Villa, featuring the art of ancient Greece and Rome. Find upcoming exhibitions, talks, performances, and more through our Getty 360 event calendar, and stay in touch with us to learn about art and to share your visit. If the Getty inspired you today, we'd love to see how. Use the hashtag GettyInspired when you share on social media. I'm Getty President Jim Cuno, and for all of us at the Getty working in Los Angeles and around the globe to advance our common understanding of the world's artistic legacy, we thank you for visiting. We look forward to seeing you online and on your next visit.